vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill my vibe.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys already know it's another week, it's another wig, okay? So today we are reviewing this wig from Myfirstwig, and this is a 10-inch Yaki bob wig. It is so cute. It's like perfect for a sexy, classy look. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this wig. This wig is so easy to install. You don't have to use glue, but if you want to, you can definitely use glue. So with this wig, I'm going to show you guys how it looks with glue and without glue, okay? This unit is perfect for a glueless install as well. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut my ear tab off camera, because when I cut my ear tab off, I have to get really close to the camera. If not, I will mess it up. So I am going to position my unit how I want it. And this is so cute. I'm definitely going to wear this to on my little stay vacation this weekend. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to rock it and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and cut the ear tabs off, and I'll be right back. So the ear tabs is off. So what I'm going to do is push the hair back just so I can make sure I don't get it in nothing. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Erica J glue, okay? So we are going to, okay, what I'm going to do is, because I want you guys to see how the wig look without glue and with glue. So what I'm going to do is do this side first with the glue, and then I'm going to cut the lace off on this side, and we're going to do this side without glue, without spray, without anything, and we're going to see how it lays. So because I'm going to eventually glue both sides down, I just want to show you guys how it looks if you decide not to use glue, because this unit, you don't have to use glue if you don't want to.
Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like
Okay, right now you guys, I am just cutting off the lace. I'm not doing it really neatly. This is how the lace look when I cut it off. So I'm gonna just go back with my spray to make sure everything is laid down. This spray do not play. Oh, before I finish this unit up and style it the way, you know, make it like customize it to my liking, I just wanted to show you guys, you can wear this unit glueless. Like this side is completely glueless. So all you would have to do is make sure the comb is hooked on really tight. Maybe this side is pretty much glueless, y'all. So before I get this hair to looking like what I would like and what I want to wear, like me customizing it, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys that this unit can be worn glueless. For example, this side has no glue whatsoever, but it's the lace is super melted, as you guys can see. The only thing with the ear tabs, what I would do is like get a little baby hair, like just add a little piece hanging like this, and you can cut it a little bit, and you can put a little spray just on the edges just to keep that down. But if you wanted to just get up and go, you definitely can throw this unit on and it'll look like it's melted to the hairline. Like this is completely melted. So now I'm gonna go ahead and glue this side on and, you know, get the hair to fit my face shape, because right now it's not fitting my face. So right now the hair is pretty much glued down, you guys. So I'm just going through it, and I'm just plucking it a little bit more so the hairline can be a little bit less dense. Now, one thing about Myfirstwig, you don't have to pluck it. This is a hair company that comes pre-plucked. You don't have to do any of this, okay? I'm just showing y'all how I apply my wig. Even if you don't have to pluck it, I still pluck it a little bit just so it can match my hairline. So I want my hair to be really, really flat. So I'm just gonna take my wax stick and go in between the tracks and just not just hot comb the top layer of hair. You want to like hot comb everything, and you kind of want to pull it at the same time. Like it needs to, you need to feel it coming through the unit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit here and just hot comb each section. You could do this on your wig head as well. But girl, I'm the type of person, I'll be here all day just to get my hair flat. I like my hair to be super, super flat. This looks like it's my hair. I just got my hair pressed. So, okay. So I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm just going to sit here, take this wax stick and just really go in, okay? Because this is a Yaki texture. This is Yaki hair, so you know it's gonna look really natural for us black women. That's why I love getting like Yaki bobs, and when I do my bun, you guys know I love doing my bun with the part in the middle. That's like my chill look, but this is gonna like replace my bun for a little bit because it's just so, it's so pretty. Okay, you guys, so I pretty much got the hair flat like I wanted. I'm going to just take a little bit of my mousse. I'll leave it down below for you guys and just put it on my hairline. The reason I like this mousse, I don't need it for this unit because the hairline is pretty good for my hairline. Like the color matches really well. I don't know, y'all. I just love this mousse and I just love the way it looks. So I always use it. It just, your wig can be flawless, but this just take it up a notch. And I'm gonna put my headband on and, you know, spray it a little bit more with my spray. And then I'm gonna put my headband on, like my little elastic band. And then I'm gonna do my baby edges, which is not gonna be much, just a little scoopity scoop, and then that's gonna be it. But I just love the way that mousse works. I'll leave it down below, you guys. You can get it from Amazon. I'll leave it down below. Use. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, but look how flat this unit is. Like, girl. And then disregard all the makeup and mousse. Once I get done, I'll wipe it off and do my makeup over. But yeah, so cute. And I think I'm gonna do a part down the middle. Usually I do a pushback. One thing about this unit, you can style it in different ways because the part is so long. It has a whole bunch of parting space. So the part go like really far back. And when my parts go really far back, I like to take advantage of that because your hair is gonna lay. And this little wax stick is just helping my hair like just lay. And this is the Edge Booster wax stick, which I love their edge control, so I know the wax stick was gonna hit. But yeah, let me tie this up and then we'll be back, you guys. We'll be back.
Time's been moving slowly. So we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. No, my place is your place. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one.
Y'all, this hair, oh, I love my hair, y'all. So what I'm doing right now, so I did my baby edges, as you guys can see, my little 1-2 that I normally do. Yeah, when I tell you Yaki hair, like a kinky Yaki hair, is my favorite type of hair to use when I want to like a really beautiful install. Like, this hair is so pretty. So what I'm doing is just taking my hot, like my flat irons, and making sure it has a bump. Now, you don't have to have your hair pushed behind your ear. You definitely can wear it like blunt, like in your face. That'll be really cute too. But I'm just a very behind the ear type of girl, so I just like literally just do it like this. This is just so effortless and just very chic. Okay, you guys, so I decided to push this unit back. I just love an effortless pushback look, but I did show you guys how you can do the part in the middle. You can also do like a flip over, a toss over method, whatever you want. I love this length bob because it's not too short. So now I did get a shorter bob. I think it was a few months ago. And it was just a shorter bob. It was just like this, but it was shorter. So this one here is just, I don't know, you guys, it just is super flattering, and I love the length of it. It's a 10-inch. I think the other one was like an 8-inch. So this one is a 10-inch, and I really love the way it looks. Every time I record, there's something going on out the door. And like I said, you can wear your part on the side or in the middle. I'm just going to keep mine pushed back. I love how effortless it looks. Just so good, y'all. So good. I'm going to wear this on vacation this weekend. It's just so timeless and so pretty. You can add a little dry shampoo in it to keep it like nice and fluffy. But I love this. This is like so classy, and the way they got this bob cut is so blunt. It's so pretty. Show y'all. I didn't really curl the back of it yet, but when I do wear it out and actually, you know, wear it with the outfit, I'll definitely wear it with I'll make sure I bump the back really tight, just so it can have like that. I love a volume, a bob with the volume. So yeah, just different ways you can style it. It's so full, it's so pretty. And shout out to Myfirstwig. If you're looking for a beginner friendly wig, make sure you check them out. You will not regret it. I also showed you guys in this video on how you can wear it with a wig, with glue or without glue. So you could definitely wear it either way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. And I'm looking at myself in the mirror, girl, and I love this look, okay? So cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.